move. That Nigerians are the law, Nigerians are the court, Nigerians are the Aso Rock, Nigerians are the governor's offices. And so we have been able to send a signal today with this underbridge Ikeja. And underbridge Ikeja is among the places they said we should not converge. But we're here today. They defy courts. They defy court orders. They in power. When court says don't do, they do. So if they disobey court orders, we are not saying disobey court orders. The law or the court ruling did not say we should not converge and move. We are converging, we are moving. And moreover, because we don't have transport fare to move to Odota or Keti, we must gather ourselves somewhere to move. And that's what we're doing here. I want to appreciate the Lagos State Police Command. I've just spoken with the CP. They are cooperating with us. And while we're here, some attacks were made by the attack dogs of the states. But unfortunately, they have been repelled by the voices of the people. We are not afraid. Dead men don't die twice. Most of us here have died years ago. We have died years ago, we can't die again. And that's the bitter truth. The Nigeria of today is as a result of the struggle we fought against the military. And so, if we fight against the military, then what is wrong in correcting the civilian people that are ruling us today? Gentlemen of the press, we are out for this protest. We will sustain it. When Nigerians will come out, and we're going to be peaceful. But whoever choose to attack us is attacking Nigerians. Whoever choose to attack us will cause revolution. NLC is quiet now, but let anyone attack us. NLC will speak. Nupeng will speak. TUC will speak. Let them attack us. We can assure you the airport will be shut. Let them attack us. We can assure you the seaport will be closed down. Let them attack us. The petrol stations will be closed down. Let them attack us. The banks will be shut. Let them attack us. Everywhere in this country will be shut. We are not fighting for our own pocket. We are fighting for the ordinary man on the street like me. I am 55 to 56. 55 to 56. Out of 56 years or 55, this government or the government of Nigeria has wasted more than 50 years of my age. They have wasted more than 50 years of my age, and it want me to be happy. I will never be happy with this government. And the previous governments, I will not be happy. I will not be happy. Thank you.